Hi guys, we're today fixing a Xbox One power supply. The problem with it is, when you plug it into the console, it turns off. I'm suspecting the 12 volt output filtering caps to be faulty, and whenever it tries to turn on, it just dies. Let's get it open. I left this unplugged for a long time, so there shouldn't be any voltage in here, and it shouldn't be dangerous. The first thing we have to do is to remove these 4 rubber feet. For that we take a tweezer, go under there, just try to get it up and not to break it. Okay, I might be able to use this one again, but yeah, I smashed it up pretty much. Let's do the next one. Okay, now we have screws. It's T8. Like always on the Xbox. Oh, it's security ones though. And now how to deal with the security ones, you just stick in a screwdriver that's like a -1 and then try to screw it. Normally the pin in the middle of the security screw breaks off and then, yeah, it did. Okay, nice. Then you can just use the normal T8. Now we have all the pins broken off and can just use the normal T8. Okay, so it was pretty hard. I found a way how to undo them. One was easy for some reason. All the other 3 I can't get out. But the trick is, you get some 99% isopropyl alcohol. Then just put some on a cotton brush and put it in there. It will, for some reason, make it go easier. Okay, all 4 screws are out now. We can now take it off here. Let's turn it around. Get the top cover off. Oh yeah, it's very dusty in here. And yes guys, I see bulged caps. We still have the fan connected to up here, so we can undo it. To get to the bottom of the board, we have to unsolder these 2 solder connections. Let's do that very quick. Okay, this should be unsoldered now. This side is off now too. And now this comes right off. This is the power connector. That then goes to the bridge rectifier that's sitting right here. And into these coils for some noise reduction through a filtering cap. And then we have the big cap. After this we have the low voltage side on this side. Here's a big transformer here. The transformer is getting switched by this chip here. And we also have a standby transformer for the standby voltage, 5 volts. The 5 volt standby have a output capacitor that's filtering it, and it then goes to the power supply connector on the other side. And then we have the big transformer. It has output caps too. It's these ones, these 3 for the 12 volts. And I don't know if you can see, but these caps don't look healthy, see? This one is flat, yeah, it's fine. But if you look on this one, or all these ones, they are like very weird at the top. This one is bent right here, this one is bent too, this one oxidized here. Yeah, these are our problem. Let's replace these caps. Let's desolder them. To desolder them, we will just put a lot of extra solder on there. This is low melt solder, it will melt quicker then. All 3 are out now, so my package arrived. Let's open it up and let's get get the capacitors replaced. I ordered 6 capacitors, so if I ever have to do another Xbox One power supply, I have them right here. Let's stick these through, look for the markings. The white strip on the side is minus, so you want to align that with the black spot on the board. The capacitors are now in there. We have to solder them from the bottom and then cut off these extra length legs. They are soldered good now. Let's cut off the legs. Oh, it fell into my keyboard. Before I actually test it, I want to put it back into the casing. This casing is on now. Now we have to put on the top casing first because we connect the fan. We can now put on the bottom cover. Okay, I have it all back reassembled now. Let's plug it into power and see what happens. Okay, it's connected to the Xbox now. You should be able to see the light it does here. And let's turn it on and see. We still get orange light. It's turning on. Oh! It came on. Let's turn it off for a second. Let's turn it on. Yeah, it's working. Okay, nice. I declare that as a win. We just fixed this power supply with just replacing 3 caps. Nice. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.